If you're learning a new language or looking for help to learn a language better or faster, then you are in the right place. My name is Olly Richards and I have a strange method of learning languages using stories. And I've used this story learning method to learn 8 languages.
Allora, secondo me sono
I believe passionately that learning a language is not really about becoming fluent. And it's certainly not spending years of your life with boring classes and silly apps. The real goal of learning a new language is to live your dream life, whatever that means for you, with another language and culture right at the heart. And my story learning method can help you do that. On this channel, you will find documentaries where I demonstrate step by step how I learn languages with stories, instructional videos with powerful language learning techniques that you can start using today, and interviews with experts on learning like Dr. Stephen Krashen and Barbara Oakley, and some much younger unofficial experts. And me? Well, I've written over 30 language books. I've been featured in BBC documentaries on language learning and much, much more. So if you're looking for a more human way to learn languages that you can trust, then hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss a thing and get ready for a better way to learn languages.